Once again, you're here with ONEILLOPS. We busted out the Vector 4 rangefinder. We ranged our target at 400 yards. We've got the Olympic Arms 22-250 UMAR topped with the Nightforce NXS 3.5 to 15 by 50 with the NPR1 reticle. Of course, we've got the O2 Hurricane XL TI, and we're just going to be doing some quick hold over here. I'm going to be holding at about 4 minutes, and that should put us pretty much right on the money at 400 yards. We'll go check out our 3-shot group real quick, and we've got the conditions. It's real nice. It's about 70 degrees, but we've got about a 3 to 5 mile an hour full value wind from 3 o'clock, so we'll definitely put that into effect with the 55 grain hollow point boat tails that we're going to be running. So let's get on this and see what this rifle can do at mid-range. Alright fellas, as you guys can see, you're going to get this running with a suppressor anyways, especially on a gas system. No dings, nothing serious. So far this AR platform, the UMAR, has been running flawlessly for me. So let's go check our group out and see how she performed at 400 yards. Not too bad. Those two right there are within about a ½ an inch. This one here is about 2.5, 3 inches away. Not bad at all. No rear bag, standard Harris bipod laid down on some alfalfa stubble. Real quick 3-shot group at 400 yards. Definitely sub MOA. Of course, we had a 3 to 5 mile an hour full value wind coming this way, so could play a possible drift with this round. Never know. Could be my pull, but definitely accurate rifle. No issues with it whatsoever. This thing's gonna be a solid coyote hammer.